guys, from the shore here. Come on, let's go on a walk with me to see if we can find anything interesting. Guys, guess what? We just stumbled upon an ant highway. And I bet you're thinking, ants? They're just simple little tiny insects. Well, no, they're actually not. They have their whole little world on the solid ground. Look, see, they even have their own highway and everything. This is how they transport all their food, the materials they need to rebuild their homes in case it gets broken down by some animals. Those burgers look pretty lazy, am I right? Okay, it gives us one of those big ones that looks pretty lazy again. Wah, wah. And then it has this one, still lazy. But actually, they're really not lazy. That highway's pretty long, huh? Hey, here's a huge one. Not lazy at all. What? Y'all might want to look up. Whoa, y'all, it's a whole ant nation! Guys, you heard me doing that joke and winking about them being lazy. Well, anything but lazy, really. Because underground, all they do is work all day, my friend. Woo! As you can see, ants like to work in big large groups, which are called colonies. The ant has three main body parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The thorax is the middle part, the whole middle part of the ant's body. Now, the abdomen is the whole back part. As you can see, ants have 3 legs on each side. Isn't that cool? So 6 legs total. Now imagine what we could do with 6 legs. The ants have feelers on their heads. And what they use it for is for touching Avi, and then for smelling, which is pretty crazy if you think about it, you know? Ants have really strong strength. Man, that's what I call manhandling. So anyway, they can carry 50 of themselves on their back. Isn't that crazy? And the ant has some pretty strong jaws, to dig, cut, carry, and protect themselves. Isn't that so cool? Their legs have hook-like claws that help them climb up plants. They also can climb upside down. Excuse me. Oh, look, there's a peregrine falcon right over there. The ants in a colony all have different jobs to do. And the queen is the mother of all the ants in the colony. Whoa. Some queens can actually lay thousands of eggs in one day. And do you know how long one day is? It's only 24 hours. Whoa, that's cool.
The queen thinks she's fancy.
Young ants hatch from eggs laid by the queen, and they grow in different stages. The eggs hatch, and the larvae come out, and the adult ants care for them and feed them. Each larva spins a silky cocoon around itself, and it slowly forms inside it. About 3 weeks later, an adult ant hatches out of the cocoon. But some ants, on the other hand, they grow up into an adult ant without a cocoon. most ants live in nests, but the ants' nest can be all shapes and sizes. That's just cool. They build their nest by making rooms and tunnels underneath. Crazy cool fact, if the ant's nest actually is too cold, then the ants will go out, lay in the sun, get hot, then they'll go back in and their body will warm up the nest. Isn't that so cool? If the nest gets too hot, then they'll just dig some holes in the mound to make it cooler. Different species of ants eat different types of foods, such as plants or other insects. Now this is fascinating. Now, when an ant finds a seed or something, or a little treat, I might say, it will leave off a smell. They'll stay there, and then the ants will just make a trail and follow that trail, and then they'll find the treats and bring it back to the hut. These are leafcutter ants here, and they have a fungus growing inside their nest. Leafcutter ants bite off the parts of the fungus and feed them to their larvae. The ants also chew up leaves and push them into their fungus. This helps it to grow. The ants take care of the fungus by keeping it clean and healthy. Hey guys, you may have wondered, why aren't we wearing huge coats anymore? That's because we wanted to come back on a warmer day, so then we could see maybe they're more active or not. So come with me and let's see if we can find some more ants. Oh. Oh guys, there's another ant highway right here. Isn't that incredible? Like, think how, see how little they are? Like, they're like the tip of your pinky. It's really sort of smaller than that. And like they make these huge highways for that go on for like a mile. It's crazy. Now, army ants, on the other hand, they don't really build nests. All they really do is move from place to place and try and survive and get insects to eat. Army ants are usually blind, so really what they do is just touch and smell to get their food. Now, fire ants, we think of them as pesky little suckers, but did you know that they can link their legs together and make a raft and float on water? I would assume it would be something like this, I guess. But maybe I could try on my trampoline. You never know. Or maybe this summer when we hit the pool.
Hey guys, I'm right here. I'm right here. Hey guys, they were climbing up that tree. I gave you some leaves. See, this one just finished, came down. I saw it come down. And now I don't know where it goes. Well, now I don't know where it's going because I didn't see over here, but there's a path over here, and I didn't see over here, so I don't know where she's going. We'll have to follow the ant to see.
Yo, we found a paper wasp nest.
It's so cool. And it's so big. Wow, look at all the eggs. I don't know if they're eggs. Looks like this one must be an old one.
Does it have other little webs and other little creatures crawling in it?
I don't see any, but it sure is cool. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with us again.
Oh yeah!
Bye.
I hope you had fun learning about the little old ant. We're gonna be an ant friend. We're being an ant friend.
Yeah, look at all of them. There's tons of them. And they all have their little villages all over the place.
Yeah.
They have holes and villages. It's a whole little ant village out here.
Yeah.
And they cover so much territory.
Yeah.
So much ground. It's crazy.
Mommy, I wish you could turn your light on so I could look deep down in that hole.
I know. We'll have to, well, we could get an ant farm so you could see how they actually make their little trails and avenues and roads and tunnels within their homes.
Mom,
Like, look at this one. Look at this one. These are all carrying out those piles of dirt because they're caving out their little holes. So don't put them back in, baby, because that's what they're doing. They're working hard to build their tunnels. So all of those little balls of dirt are ones that they roll up and carry out. And then you have some that come and bring the leaves and stuff like that and carry those a long way.
I hope y'all enjoyed this wonderful little video based on the creature called the ant. Make sure to like and subscribe.